song I wrote. Might want to sing it, note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Well, hello. Quarantine day a million. Today, we're gonna be doing some more work on. Well, Andrew's buying, you know, nice, cool car parts for his Evo. We won't be doing that. We're gonna be doing a much smaller job. It's gonna be on this, because this sucks. And don't get me wrong, I love having the soft top. I love having the roof down, but something about Honda's engineering on this, probably because they don't make a lot of convertibles, from what I could tell, there are a lot of problems out there that have to do with this. Lots of cracking and ripping and whatnot, but today, what we're gonna be doing is, we are going to be dealing with this guy right here. This elastic strap is supposed to be taut to basically kind of keep the shape of the roof, I guess. The elastic basically starts to harden up and fail, and this car is 16 years old right now, so look at that. That is a hammock instead of an elastic band by now. So we're going to be replacing that. We are not going to be trying to replace it with the OEM part. Instead, we're gonna be replacing it with this. I just got it in the mail from Modifry Products LLC. And I hear this is much easier and much better than trying to go and replace the OEM product. So let's open it up and see what we got. Here we have a manila envelope and the pack slip. One convertible soft top fix for $20 plus $4.70 worth of shipping. We got the straps, instructions. Wow, instructions with pictures. I don't know, what do we need? Go to the top. Cool, looks like what we're gonna need for this fix is the instructions, the straps, and a pair of scissors. Cool. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is lower the top about halfway. It's about halfway. Maybe just a little more. Is that halfway? That's halfway. Oh, that's halfway. And then you're gonna come in here with your scissors, blunt end, and carefully cut the strap on both ends close to where the rivets are. Oh, this feels so wrong. See the rivets right there? We're gonna cut close to that. And then do that to the other side as well. Woo, no more structural integrity. Nice thing about these is that they go basically into the rivets that are already there on the soft top frame. You don't have to drill out the rivets, put in a new strap, and then put in new rivets. These are essentially completely toolless, except for the scissors. Then you just, it's nice. But anyway, get one of the straps and hold it facing you so that the pin on the left side is closer to the edge than on the right side. And now you're gonna take this, and right back there are two rivets. We're gonna try to stick these pins into those rivet holes. Might take some fumbling, but I feel them. There we go. Those are in. Take the strap, wrap it once around, and once you've done it once over, I'm gonna pull the strap over this guy right here, like that. Then wrap around here, like that, and then get the pin in those holes right there. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this guy right here and pull it over this guy so it covers this guy up. Take it here, pull it over, and then it's gonna go right over. Oh, gotta make it neat. There we go. So let's repeat those steps. Pin facing like this. Shove it into rivets. Boom. Wrap it once around. Boom. Pull it over here. Come up behind. Boom. And then take the strap over here and pull it over that way and over this guy. And then boom. Nice, tight strap. All right, let's see what happens when we close up the roof. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you guys could see, but compared to earlier, the top is, I don't know, I might be seeing things, but it looks like it is sagging a lot less. And there's, look at that. If you come in under here, no more hammock. Just a nice, tight strap. So yeah guys, that's how you install Modifry Straps on a S2000. And in case you somehow haven't heard about them, I will link them in the description. I mean, Modifry already has a really good reputation in the S2000 community, so they don't need a like thumbs up from me, but thumbs up from me. Everything was very simple. Packaging was good, instructions were well thought out, pictures were very helpful. Yeah, overall fantastic experience. Thanks for watching guys, thanks for hanging out during this quarantine for legal reasons. This is not a tutorial, but just me putting on some straps. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Leave a comment, any suggestions, anything. Listen to our podcast, links are also down below. Remember, stay safe, stay indoors if you can, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.